Welcome to 1425 West 146th Street, Unit Number 2, a spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse in Gardena built in 1991 with a square footage of 1345. Come, have a look with me. Affordable 3-bedroom townhouse in Gardena. Gated complex with low monthly HOA dues. Walk into tile floor living room with a cozy corner fireplace. Spacious kitchen with new range and hood. New dishwasher soon to be installed. And pantry. Small balcony off kitchen for private barbecue. Convenient entry-level powder room and coat closet. Step upstairs to wood laminate flooring and lots of natural light. Primary suite with double door entry. High ceilings. Walk-in and storage closets, and a balcony. Primary bathroom with dual sinks and stepped-up enclosed tub. Two additional bedrooms upstairs, one with mirror closet doors. Hallway bathroom with enclosed tub. Direct access from attached 2-car garage. Laundry area is also in the garage with washer and dryer included. Minutes from beaches, shopping, freeways, and more. If you would like to view this property in person, or if I could add any value to your real estate needs, feel free to contact me via text or email. My information is below. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.